Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. We are really happy you are here today because today's topic is very practical and useful for every English learner. The title of today's episode is English Sentences for Daily Use. Many learners study grammar rules and memorize long vocabulary lists, but when they want to speak in real life, they often feel confused about what sentences to use.
Hello, dear learners around the world. I'm David, and Emma is absolutely right. Many learners tell us something like this: I understand English, but I don't know what sentences to say in daily situations. Sometimes they know many words, but they cannot combine those words into natural sentences.
Yes, and that's why learning daily English sentences is very helpful. These are sentences you can use in everyday life when you meet people, talk to friends, ask questions, or express your thoughts.
Today, we will practice many useful sentences together, and we will also show you how to use them in real conversations.
Let's begin with something very simple. Greetings. Greetings are the first step in every conversation.
For example, when you meet someone, you can say, "Hello, how are you today?"
Another common sentence is, Hi, it's nice to see you.
Or you can say, "Good morning. How is your day going so far?"
Let's imagine a small conversation using these sentences.
"Hello, Emma. Good morning. How are you today?"
Good morning, David. I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
"I'm doing great today. I just finished some work, and now I'm ready to relax."
You see, learners, these simple sentences are used in everyday conversations all the time.
Now let's talk about another daily situation: asking about someone's day.
You can say, How was your day?
Or, "What did you do today?"
Let's practice another small conversation.
"Emma, how was your day today?"
My day was quite busy, but it was also productive. I worked on some new lesson ideas and practiced English.
That sounds interesting. I spent most of my day preparing teaching materials and answering messages.
These are natural sentences people use every day.
Now, let's talk about asking for help or information.
For example, you might say, Excuse me, could you help me please?
Or, "Can you explain this to me?"
Another useful sentence is, Could you repeat that please?
Let's imagine a short situation where someone needs help.
David, excuse me, could you help me with this problem?
Of course. What do you need help with?
I'm trying to understand this English sentence, but it seems confusing.
No problem. Let me explain it to you step by step.
You see, learners, asking for help is a normal and important part of communication.
Now let's talk about expressing opinions.
Sometimes you want to share your thoughts about something.
For example, you can say, "I think this idea is very interesting."
Or, in my opinion, learning English is very important.
Another sentence could be, "I believe practice is the key to improving your English."
Let's try another conversation.
"Emma, what do you think is the best way to improve English speaking skills?"
In my opinion, the best way is to practice speaking every day and listen to natural English conversations.
I agree with you. Regular practice makes a huge difference.
Now, let's talk about talking about daily activities.
Many conversations are about simple daily routines.
For example, you can say, I usually wake up early in the morning.
I go to work around 8 o'clock.
In the evening, I like to relax and watch a movie.
Let's imagine another conversation.
David, what do you usually do after work?
After work, I like to relax for a while, read something interesting, and sometimes practice English.
That sounds like a great routine. I usually listen to podcasts or prepare lessons.
Another important daily situation is making plans.
For example, you can say, would you like to meet tomorrow?
Or, let's have lunch together.
Or, another sentence is, are you free this weekend?
Let's practice a short planning conversation.
David, are you free this weekend?
Yes, I am. Why do you ask?
I was thinking we could meet and practice some English conversation together.
That sounds like a great idea. I would really enjoy that.
Dear learners, using these kinds of sentences regularly will help you become more confident in daily conversations.
Another useful group of sentences is expressing feelings.
For example, I'm feeling happy today.
I'm a little tired after a long day.
I'm excited about learning something new.
Talking about your feelings makes conversations more natural.
Let's imagine another short conversation.
Emma, you seem very happy today. What happened?
Yes, I'm happy because I finished an important project and also learned some new English expressions.
That's wonderful. Learning new things always feels rewarding.
Dear learners, daily English sentences may seem simple, but they are the foundation of real communication.
When you practice these sentences regularly, you will start speaking more naturally.
Try to use these sentences in your daily life whenever possible.
You can practice them with friends, with teachers, or even by speaking to yourself.
The more you practice speaking, the more confident you will become.
And remember, it's okay to make mistakes while learning.
Mistakes are part of the learning process.
What matters most is that you continue practicing and improving.
Thank you so much for learning with us today and spending this time improving your English.
Keep practicing daily English sentences and keep speaking whenever you have the chance.
We will see you again in the next episode of our English Learning Podcast.
Until then, take care and continue your English learning journey every day.